Good morning, everyone. My name is Abhishek, and you are watching HR Knowledge Hub. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we will discuss about the principle of human resource management. So, let's get started. Principle of human resource management. So, in human resource management, there are a lot of principles, but in this video, we have discussed several of them. We have discussed about the organization goal, employee-centric approach, fairness and justice, flexibility and adaptability, strategic partnership, employee development, diversity and inclusion, communication. So, here are the first principle of human resource management: organization goal. So in the organization goal, we have to be learn managing the people. In HRM department, there are lot of people are recruited. So the HRM first work is to right talent is recruited, and after that they have to be trained and motivated the employees so that he can achieve organization objectives. And by training and motivated, he can do several methods. He can hire the right people, training them, performance management, employee motivation, and build a positive work environment. So there are the second principle name is employee centric approach. So in this principle, we have to be learn about treating employees. So HR department have to be focused employee well-being, engagement and satisfaction. He always try that employees feel valued and motivated. And if the employees are feel valued and motivated, so he can do work well for the companies. And there are some methods how employee can be feel motivated: employee engagement, career development, work-life balance, fair compensation, rewards, supportive leadership. So by applying these methods, employee feel motivated in the organization. Now we are moving on the third principle. The third principle is fairness and justice. In the third principle, we have learned about all employees are treated equally, and all employees who work in the organization are treated equally and due of justice to all of them. The employees are treated equally and with transparent policy for recruited, promotion, compensation and conflict resolution. So here are the meaning of fairness and justice. So first, the fairness is meaning that we have to be treat the employees without any discrimination. We have to be treat all the employees equally, and we have to be and everyone have equal opportunity for the growth, and they have to give reward on the basis of their skill, and promotion are giving for their improvement and skill. And there is a justice is that we have to be creating an environment where decisions are making transparently and based on a clear consist rule, and the ensure that action like promotion, disciplinary measure and conflict resolution are carried out fairly. So the summary of this principle is that we in the organization, we treated all employees equally and without do any discrimination. So now we will move on the fourth principle. The fourth principle is flexibility and adaptability. So in this principle, we have learned about handle new challenges. In the organization, every day they face a lot of challenges, and they also have to be if any organization who adopt new technologies, market trend, company restriction by the time, then they have to be become survive and um, be a work good in the market field. But if they are failed to do so, then they have to be face very challenges in this. So now we have to be read it briefly that what is flexibility and what is adaptability to change. So first, flexibility. Flexibility in HRM refers to the ability of an organization to make quick adjustment in its process, policies, workforce, respond of to internal and external changes. सो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है कि हम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की प्रोसेस पॉलिसी में हम चेंज करें टाइम टू टाइम. वी हैव टू बी डन चेंज इन दिस, improve in this, do some improvement in this. And adaptability to change. In this adaptability to change, we have to be the meaning is this: how well an organization or its employee can accept the implement changes in their work environment. So देखो, अगर कितनी जल्दी एम्प्लॉयज़ जो किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में वर्क कर रहे हैं वो कितनी जल्दी न्यू चेंजेस को अडॉप्ट कर सकते हैं, उन्हें एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं. दिस इज़ द एडेप्टेबिलिटी टू चेंज. एंड दिस कुड include adaptation to new technology, changing work environment, or even shift in company structure and culture. And इसमें new technology shift work भी आता है. So now we are moving on the next principle. The next principle is strategic partnership. In this principle we have to be learn that the HR department collaborate with the top management to shape company and strategy by providing insight on workforce planning, talent management and organization development. सो देखो, ये प्रिंसिपल इतना ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. इसके अंदर कहा गया है कि बेसिकली कि HR डिपार्टमेंट डू लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेटजीज. यू हैव टू बी डू लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेटजिक टू किस तरह से वर्क करा सके अपना. सो इन दिस दे हैव टू बी यूज डिफरेंट मेथड्स. HR and business leaders, HR finance, HR IT, HR legal and HR external partners. So you can read all this if you want. So now we move on the next principle. The next principle is employee development. In this employee development we have learned about the training and development program for the employees. There is a lot of programs, training and development programs in the organization to boost the employee skill and boost their employee career. And these programs are like they have to be training them, mentoring and coaching, job rotation, performance appraisal and feedback, career development plans, e-learning and online courses. And so basically we have to be understand that why the organization spend their money in these program. They have to be spend this money because they want that those employees who are work there, they will be always will be get some new knowledge and boost their skills. So it's also help in the organization development. So that's why the company use this. And the next principle is the principle of diversity and inclusion. So in this principle we have learned about the there is a what is we have different race, gender, age, religion and culture background. So in this company में बहुत से लोग वर्क करते हैं जो बिलोंग करते हैं डिफरेंट रिलीजन से, कल्चर से, लैंग्वेजेस से एंड डिफरेंट रीजनल एरिया से भी बिलोंग करते हैं. सो इन दिस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस बट one thing is very important one thing very important and one very common thing is that they have uniqueness of each individual and inclusion is about creating a work environment where everyone feel welcome, respected and valued regardless to their differences. It ensures that all employees have equal opportunity to contribute and succeed. And we have to be there is some important why this principle is important for us: better decision making, improved employee satisfaction, attraction top talent, reflecting customer base. So this principle is about that there is a lot of person work in the organization and we have to be respect all the employees. So the last principle of this video is principle of communication. So in this principle we have to be learn about the how communication and is important in the organization. The communication is very important in the organization as it ensures that the both employees and management understand each other, and they have to be understand each other goals and their needs and their expectation. So there are different type of communication that are happen in the HR department or in the organization. There is the internal communication, employee relation, recruitment and selection communication, training and development, conflict resolution and performance and feedback communication. सो कम्युनिकेशन कहते हैं कि बेसिकली बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होती है, क्योंकि अगर हमें कोई भी वर्क करना है तो उसके लिए हमें लोकल लेवल कम्युनिकेशन और बेसिकली में इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन को हमें ज़रूर आनी चाहिए.
Thank you everyone for your kind patience. I hope you will all understand the topic fully, and if you like the video, please subscribe the channel. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you once again and goodbye.